A short presentation on health of our health through the PowerPoint. You can see it only by me and Roshan Bistra. Health. Health is can be categorized into different ways. The picture zoomed and shows the roadway network of different places which is related to the health. Now the topic health. Starting with the health, we have what actually is health or what is health. Now going to the definition, health is something needed in life. It is an important and major need of life. So the word health means different things to different people depending on the situation. For example, if somebody says, I was worried about my husband's health, it is clear that a woman is referring to her husband's physical health. If you hear that phrase with all the detailed lines, I wonder that the effect will be on the health. Most likely, word health here refers to the more than mental health than physical health. The photo of children Europe life healthy. Moving forward, physical health and mental health. Physical health means a good body health which is healthy because of regular physical activity, exercise, good nutrition, and adequate rest. While mental health refers to the people's cognitive and emotional well-being. According to WHO, mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his or her own abilities and can cope with the normal stress of life. It can work productively and fruitfully and is able to make a contribution on his or her community. Moving forward, how to maintain a good health. A good health can be maintained. Health is something that is easy to take for granted. When we start losing it, it's hard to believe we spent so long not valuing it. To ensure that you stay as healthy as possible, we have outlined a guide that should help you just that dealing on your physical, mental, and emotional health. The problems of health in Nepal. Health is a major problem in Nepal due to the lack of proper health education, lack of good drainage, lack of pure water for drinking, pollution, more people suffering from communicable diseases, spread of cancer, lack of proper fruits and vegetables for eating are the major problems. Now, the solutions for these health problems by giving proper health education, making good drainage, supplying good and pure water for drinking, decreasing pollution, curing people as fast as possible, making people aware about those diseases, and implementing strict rules are some of the major solutions. With growing foods, putting less manure is a major solution of those problems in Nepal. Some photos which shows the health condition of Nepal. Take care of your body. It's only place where you happy to live in. Is the major motto of this presentation. Now, showing in a zoom out layout, take care of your body, it's only the place you have to live in. Quotes of health. The major other quotes of health. Health is wealth. Just because you are not sick does not mean you are healthy. Healthy is merely the slowest rate at which one can die. Health is not simply the absence of sickness. The part can never be well unless tree whole is well. A fresh apple a day keeps the doctor away. And thank you for your attention and cooperation. Thank you.